About 15 years ago, I was working with a client in the UK. We were delivering the Dale Carnegie course. And we got to the session where we discussed the principles from how to stop worrying and start living. And one of my class members, a lady called Lucy, she got up to the front. Now, Lucy was one of twins. And she told the story of how her twin sister was going to be emigrating from the UK all the way to Canada. And this was causing Lucy an enormous amount of distress. And in fact, she used the word depressed. That's how she felt about the situation. And she started trying to resist it. She started challenging her sister. Why are you going? Why are you leaving me? Why are you leaving me behind? And in the end, she started to think about how selfish she was being, just thinking of herself and not thinking about the opportunity that her sister had in moving. So she just turned herself around. She started engaging positively with her sister and helping her plan, helping her look for accommodation when they got to Canada, planning when she was going to visit. And she said that when she did this, it really helped her start to not only appreciate why her sister was going, but it helped her actually get excited about it. So this for me is a significant difference in the principle, cooperate with the inevitable. A lot of the times we can take that principle to mean just accept that something is going to happen. Whereas what Lucy showed us in her story was, it's not just a case of accepting, it's actually a case of working with something that's inevitable, actually collaborating with it, working with it, and make the best out of it. And actually we can find ourselves excited about it. Now we see that happening a lot in the world today as people are not only just coping with and living with the coronavirus situation, but a lot of people are actually using it to take advantage of it and say, okay, what is this a good opportunity for? So that'll be the message I'd leave you with, is think about really cooperating with the inevitable when it's happening. Think about what is this situation an opportunity for, and then you can make the most of it.